All right, so this is a GE vent fan of some sort. I'm not 100% sure what this is exactly. I'm wondering if it might be like a Crest or kind of looks like a CEC product to me based on the motor and switch housing style, but I don't 100% know. This was actually pulled out of a scrap facility by one of my friends in Ohio and gave me the fan. When I got it, it had 2 of the original shays, 1 was broken, and 3 of the original irons were there but bent, and 1 was snapped off, and obviously all the blades were gone. So I ended up replacing all the missing parts. The glass is generic ribbed that I had. Blades are just generic white, they're plain on both sides. And the irons are actually turn of the century Minerva irons that came off of one of the youth center Minervas, which we parted those out a long time ago, but I saved the irons since they're standard 42-inch spacing, and they actually look pretty cool on this fan. So yeah, not bad. And it's from 1993, GE vent. It's actually a really nice quiet runner as well. I think it might be one of the quieter fans I installed. Like it's almost silent. Decent air mover. Oh, interesting. I wonder if the pull chain got messed up or something because it wasn't. That's off, I think. That looks like high, that looks like medium, that should be low. Let me try that again. It's one of those like weird double layer pull chains. I wonder if one of the layers just didn't align right. Yeah, so that's definitely low. There we go, there's medium. I think it just did low twice. And there's high. Yeah, really smooth runner. Might need to replace that pull chain at some point if it's gonna be wonky, but I guess it works for now. Yeah, good air mover. I feel like Sears might have sold something like this too. Could be a Sears. But yeah, if you know what the kind of fan this is or what it was sold as, definitely let me know. The canopy's a little more like stout than normal. I mean, it's close to standard, but it's a little like flatter than normal. Yeah, neat fan.